Hello everyone. If you're new here, I'm Katie and welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday, so it is a plan with me video where I'm gonna do a happy planner weekly layout this week. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be using some new stickers that I shared with you all last week in my journaling haul video that I went shopping for. So today we're going to be working in our first week of August. I can't believe July is already over and summer is already almost gone. Kind of sad that it's already going so fast, but honestly, I enjoy cool weather compared to hot weather, so I'm excited for fall. Okay, so I'm just going to go into August. I actually did, what I did was I actually took out half of the year that I already did, so I have more room in here to work with. So I'm very happy that I did that. There's a lot more room in here. And that's what's nice about Happy Planner. You can take out and then put it back at the end of the year. So that way you have plenty of room to write and stuff. So I'm just going to go in and take out this week. If you're new to Happy Planners, they are perforated pages. So you can take them in and then just clip them back in like so. So yeah, that's a really cool thing about Happy Planner. You can take pages out, you can put them in. If you have the hole punch, you can add pages that you don't have to buy. So that's an added bonus. So I'm just going to take out this week, or this coming week here, and put that aside. So yeah, that's why I take out my pages, because it's easier to do the layout that way. So I know somebody asked me why I rip out my pages. I didn't rip out my pages. I did rip my one thing. With these, you have to be very careful when you take them out. You take them out from the top and you gently peel away so you don't rip your holes. I did that once, but only once, so that's not a bad record for half a year. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this Happy Planner washi book. Everything that I use will be down in the description box below. So if you guys like them, you can check them out for yourselves. And I'm also going to be using this cute little mini sticker pad that I got called Going Places. I absolutely love this book. Have not used it yet, so this is the first time I'm going to be using it. And I will be using my American Craft Faith sticker book. It's one of my favorites. I love this one so much. So I'm glad I found that. It was the only one that was available at Tuesday morning when I went. So I'm glad I got it when I did. Okay. So I already have some washi tape down because I was gifted this in Happy Mail. So I thought I would use it right away so I wouldn't forget about it. So I just put it down probably a couple weeks ago. I was like, let's just put it in August. So that's what I did. So today I know I'm going to be using pastel colors. I love pastel colors. We're going to be using definitely pastel colors today. And I know there's a couple stickers I want to use that are blue and yellow, so I think I'm going to do a mix of those colors today. So we're going to be doing some blue and yellow today. See if we can find, I'm not sure if I have any yellow. Let's see here, I have orange, peach. Peach might be nice, so the peach and the green, and then we can use the yellow as an offset color. But I don't think we have any yellow in here. I thought I did. Here's some. Oh, this is a big planner though. There's like a pale yellow. But what you can do is, even if it is for a big planner, you can cut them down, or you don't have to worry about that as well. And then I have mini planner. Okay. So for some reason there is no yellow in the in the classic planner, which, well, actually this one's kind of yellow. Let's use these. These will actually go really nicely with the washi tape I already had down. So we'll use this. It's really cute. It's got polka dots, very fun and festive. We'll use that one. Okay, so this one has to go over here, because this is the longer side. And these are perfectly the length of this. So you don't have to cut them down. You don't have to worry about the length or anything. It is perfect. So I love the colors. Let's see what else we can use here. I wonder if there's another one that's similar to that. Let's see here. I don't think we have one that matches the one I just used. Oh, no, here's one. I lied, found it. So that way I can match and go on the other side. You don't have to match if you don't want to, but I like it. I think this one actually is a little longer, but that's okay because we're going to go along the edge and we can even write over it if we wanted to. But I'm just going to put it at the bottom edge here and then just go across there like that. Let me see if I can zoom in just a little bit for you guys. Alright, so let's see what else we can do here. I don't really want a ton of washi tape. Maybe like an extra layer or something, maybe. Let's see what we have here. What does this one say? It says, this was the best day. It's kind of cute. I think I'll use that one and layer it above the other washi tape. So we use this very small one if I can get it up. The very narrow washi tape. And I'm just going to put it above this one right here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any fun videos. Sundays are Plan With Me videos, and then I do Mondays are Color Along in my Bible. So if you want to grab your Bible, your markers, pens, pencils, and your tea or water, then you guys can hang out and color with me in that. So, and then Wednesdays are pretty much whatever I feel like day. And then Fridays are usually either tutorials or Bible journaling. So that's always fun. So if you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with these really cute sticker pad book, which I love. Absolutely love these stickers. I really like this one, Find Joy in the Journey. The best journeys with God, so we have to use that sticker. Absolutely. No doubt about it. I'm going to put it in the center on this side over here. Sorry, off camera. There we go. There we go. I like that. Very pretty. I wanted it very summery today and very cute. So let's see if we can find anything else. I did like this one, Writing into the Weekend. And there's room for notes. You can actually write on these. So I think I'm going to use this one for summer, or the weekend. So Writing into the Summer, right here. Kind of want it even. And I don't mind about covering up these words because I know what they say and I always have the same layout every week anyway, so I am not bothered by that at all. Let's see what other colors we can use. Sunshine and Good Times. I like the Sunshine and Good Times. Let's use that one. Kind of in the mood for yellow this weekend, or this week. Not sure why. I do like yellow. And then we can put this over here. Am I off camera again? Sorry. I keep forgetting to move the thing over. There we go. Decided not to fast forward through this one so you guys can see how I do it, and I'll just put some nice soft music in the background so we can just enjoy decorating our planners together. I may do every other week, maybe fast forward, just to give you guys a break or a different feel to the videos. In case you're tired of hearing my voice. See if there's any more stickers in here that I want to use. These are all super cute. I love them so much. I think we may be good on the people stickers. So I have some, and then I'll add some faith stickers as well. I do like this Where To Next sticker. It's because it matched all the other ones. Oh, and it matches the bike over there. So I think that will be the last sticker I use, yeah. And then we'll go in with other different ones. So that booklet is done. Let's see, where should I put this one? I'm thinking over here in this corner here. So I'm going to go in and, oops, no. Try to peel it back up because I put it on wrong. Happy Planner stickers are usually fairly nice to where they will come up fairly easily. So in case you make a mistake, you don't have to worry about it. There we go. Now we kind of match along, and I like that a lot. That's super cute. Still have room for writing, and then I'm going to be using some of the faith stickers in my American Craft sticker book. see here. So I'm mostly using yellows and a little bit of green. So let's see if we have something that kind of matches. I like the Jesus Christ, my Savior. Maybe I'll put that in the little box over here. Just in the corner to give it a little bit more decorative. And then I still have that space for writing as well. Let's see here. I keep forgetting there's washi tape in this book. Like, I know like my washi tape books, but then I totally always keep forgetting that there are washi tape in this book. I do have some letter stickers. I don't think those are going to go that well this week. Let's see. I might do one whole spread on cactus next week, maybe. I like cactus. Cactus are cool. Cacti, cactus. I'm not sure if I'm going to find very much in here that I want to use. But I'm sure there's got to be something in here. Let's see. I always like the little flag stickers. They're kind of cute. I think maybe I'll use the pink one because there are some pink details in here. I'm going to use them with the flowers because there are flowers in her basket down here. So I think I'll use one of the banner stickers and put it up here. I like to make sure I have a ton of room to write. Well, not a ton, but at least enough room to write so I can write my favorite verses and thank my daily thank yous as well. See, is there anything in Genesis? So I'm reading Genesis now and Psalms, so I was wondering if there was anything. I've already passed Psalm 46. I did that last week, I think. Let's see. There are just too many stickers to choose from. I like this cute little heart. Maybe the mint green one. Well, let's just go with the pink because since I did the pink flag, I kind of want to just continue along with the pink theme just a little bit. Yeah, I'll put it right here. Since I already covered up part of the word, I can add a little bit extra decor there. I like this green pray box. That's actually really cute. I like the pastel theme that's going on here because there's some green in this box. So I'm going to do some green over here in this box to kind of offset the color a little bit. See, we need at least a couple more stickers. I like this one a lot. It says, I know God has a plan. It's a reminder I needed today, definitely, because I know God has a plan, and I kind of needed to hear that again today. So I'm going to put that right there, right in the corner there. Oops, a little up there. And maybe I'll do this other green one that says, God answers when you least expect it. So I'm going to put it, let's see, I'm going to put this one over in this area somewhere. Maybe right here. There we go. Let's see what else I can use. I'm in the mood for decorating today, so. I do normally have a Bible study on Tuesday. Could always put a Bible study sticker there. Technically, I have Bible study every single day with friends, so I could put Bible study any day I want to. Well, I think we may be done with stickers because I know I don't want to have a ton of stickers. Let's just put this hope one. I feel like there's something missing in this one spot right here, so I think I'm going to put hope right here. There we go. I like that a lot. Just needed something there, so the word hope will go there. I think that's it. I think we're good to go this week. And we can have some words. Anything good? Let's see. Let's do God is eternal. We can add another green sticker. Let's see, where should we put the God is eternal? I think that's the last sticker I think I'm going to do. I think I'll put it up here. aligning with the other one. There. I think that's a good layout for this week. I love the pastel colors. I love the ladies. I love using stickers with ladies on them. So I think it turned out really cute. I love the colors and the theme. It actually kind of matches the theme of the Happy Planner because Happy Planner is green and pink and purple. So it kind of actually was a very nice matchy feeling today. So if you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video. And have a wonderful, blessed, and happy Sunday to everyone. And I will see you all in the next video.